Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Valentine's Activities is probably one of the most heartwarming ways to celebrate this special day with your kids, fostering creativity, friendship, and love, making this Valentine's Day an unforgettable experience filled with fun, laughter, and cherished memories for both you and your little ones, whether it's through arts and crafts, games, or thoughtful gestures. There are plenty of age-appropriate activities to choose from that will make this Valentine's Day extra special. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Heartbox Craft Kit. Get ready for a creative adventure. This kit has everything you need to decorate your own unique keepsake. It all starts with this charming wooden box. It's sturdy and ready for your personal touch. With vibrant paints, sparkling glitter glue, colorful gems, and more, the possibilities are endless. Use your imagination to create a one-of-a-kind treasure. It's fun and easy for everyone. Once you're finished, you'll have a beautiful, personalized keepsake to treasure. It's a perfect gift or a special memory for yourself. All the materials are child-safe and washable, so you can create without worry. What we like? It's a classic Valentine's craft with a lovely wooden keepsake box. The art supplies are washable and child-safe, making it perfect for younger children. If you are looking for a high-quality, affordable craft kit that creates a lasting memory, this is the one for you. What people say. Their toys are high quality, easy to play, great for the imagination, and lots of fun learning. The quality and thickness of the box was quite good. All of the necessary art items were included: paint brushes, plastic gems, and even 2 types of glue, one of which was glittery. The directions were simple and not even needed, and the paint itself was of good quality and dried quickly. This allows for use of fine motor skills, imagination, and creativity. The box is a well-made product that can be kept for a long time. Number 4. Sumind Valentine's Day Craft Kits. Get ready for a fun-filled Valentine's Day with our craft kits. Each kit has everything you need to create adorable ornaments. This package includes 24 complete craft kits, each with unique designs. There are 4 styles in total, offering variety and fun for everyone. These kits are ideal for classroom parties, home decorations, or fun family activities. They're a delightful way to celebrate the holiday. The simple peel and stick design makes these kits easy for kids to assemble. It's a great way to develop their creativity and fine motor skills. Each ornament has a hole for easy hanging. Decorate your home, classroom, or even create a festive banner with these charming creations. These ornaments are perfectly sized for hanging on trees, doors, or anywhere you want to add a touch of Valentine's Day cheer. They measure approximately 4.72 inches long and 4.0 to 4.4 inches wide. What we like? This kit is perfect if you need multiple craft projects for a classroom or party. It's easy for kids to assemble, and the various styles add to the fun. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with plenty of options for a group activity, this is a great choice. What people say. A fantastic choice for engaging children in holiday-themed crafting activities. Their combination of quality materials, easy-to-follow instructions, and creative potential makes them a hit for both kids and parents. The kids loved putting these 2 together. They were fun and easy to do for 8 to 10-year-olds. These are perfect for our kids' class card exchange. The back is white, leaving plenty of room to write to from. They are made of sturdy cardstock. Number 3. WATINC Valentine's Felt Tree. Get ready to unbox this super value set, perfect for Valentine's Day crafting. It includes everything you need to create a beautiful felt heart tree. With 42 cute heart-shaped ornaments, you can customize your tree in countless ways. Let your creativity shine. The felt pieces are thick and durable, and the transparent wall hooks make hanging it a breeze. Kids can easily participate in creating this festive decoration. This isn't just for Valentine's Day. It's great for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, or any celebration. It's a versatile and reusable decoration. It's a wonderful way to boost your child's creativity, hand-eye coordination, and imagination. It's recommended for ages 3 and up. Give the gift of creativity this Valentine's Day. This set is a fun and memorable way to celebrate with loved ones. Remember, it's not edible, so adult supervision is recommended for young children. What we like? It's a unique and reusable craft kit featuring a felt tree and adorable ornaments. The felt is thick and durable, ensuring it lasts for many Valentine's days. If you want a craft that's both fun and decorative, this is perfect for you. What people say. This felt kit is super cute and well made. They are all made of high quality felt. It comes with extra hooks and everything is easy to set up. This was an amazing fun project with my grandkids. We enhanced the supplied craft materials with glitter, sequins, and painted family member names, etc. My 3 granddaughters aged 5 years, 3 years, and 1 year love playing with the heart tree. Number 2. Winlyn Valentine Owl Craft Kit. Get ready for a fun and easy craft project. This kit has everything you need to make adorable owl ornaments. It includes 24 foam owl shapes in 6 colors, tons of colorful stickers, pom-poms, googly eyes, cords, and more. You'll find 6 different owl designs, each with unique features. Let your imagination soar. These owls are pre-punched for easy hanging, and the self-adhesive pieces make assembly a breeze. No glue or scissors needed. This kit is great for classroom activities, family fun, or even a Valentine's Day party. It's a wonderful way to foster creativity and learning. They're made from safe and soft foam, perfect for little hands. The kit is designed for hours of mess-free fun. Personalize your owls with stickers and markers, then share your creations with friends and family. Happy crafting. What we like. This kit is packed with materials to create adorable foam owls. It includes everything you need, and no glue is required, making it super easy for kids. If you like a craft with lots of different elements and want to avoid messy glue, this is the best option. What people say. Really thoughtfully designed set. Had everything we needed for our 4th grade Valentine's Day class party. The pieces needed to be separated into piles, but that was no big deal. We cut the jewels into little sections so each child could have their own small set to use. Owls came out adorable and the directions were easy to follow. My students loved these crafts. Easy to put together and they loved the outcome. The craft is super cute and perfect for both boys and girls 4 to 8 years old. Number 1. Winlyn Valentine's Day Craft Kit. Get ready to be amazed by this incredible kit. It's packed with everything you need to create adorable Valentine's Day ornaments. It includes a wide array of foam hearts in various colors like pink, purple, and red, along with self-adhesive hearts for easy crafting. But that's not all. You'll also find colorful pom-poms, googly eyes, and even alphabet stickers to personalize your creations. The foam hearts are pre-punched for easy hanging, and the stickers are self-adhesive, making crafting a breeze. No glue or scissors needed. This kit is perfect for kids of all ages and is ideal for classroom activities. It's safe, fun, and encourages creativity. Let your kids unleash their imagination while developing their hands-on skills. It's a fun and educational activity they'll love. Made with high-quality, soft EVA foam, polyester, and tinsel, it ensures durability and safety for your little ones. From satin cords for hanging to adhesive dots for securing embellishments, this kit has everything you need for a successful crafting experience. The foam hearts range in size, from approximately 4 to 6 inches, while other elements are perfectly sized for little hands to easily manipulate. What we like. This kit provides all the materials to make cute foam hearts. It includes a wide variety of embellishments and requires no glue, making it simple and fun. If you prefer a no-mess craft with lots of decorative options, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. It comes with everything you need to make a cute Valentine to share with others. It even comes with gift bags and tags. Everything is peel and stick except the pom-poms. The set comes with 3 packs of glue dots and a small bottle of craft glue. She was able to be very independent and do everything herself. Mess-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.